I went from making $800 a week on a construction site to making over $50,000 a month in commissions as a remote closer. And here is the biggest shift that I had to make. I started picking up books like How to Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I started to understand that I am my greatest asset, that I have to start investing in myself, and that your level of income in life will never exceed your level of self-development and skill. Skills pay the bills. So I started going all in on skills like sales, psychology, human behavior, understanding finances and how people actually make money. I started to change my perspective and outlook on life and get myself in the rooms of people that were making 10 times more money than me, where it felt embarrassing, where I felt so small and almost so insecure and embarrassed to be in those rooms. But that forced me to level up, and it changed my paradigm of what was possible. So that's the biggest shift that I had to make. I started investing in myself, and I realized that 90% of society, they never set goals, they don't dare to dream, they don't actually pick up personal growth books and listen to podcasts, and that's why they never get what they want.